Today's day 2 of trying to get a diamond beacon in Minecraft, and we will be mining until the stack of torches runs out. I lost a bit of the video, so whenever I was mining down, I found a diamond like really high up, which I'll be showing you in a second. And also I forgot to record a few diamonds that I found. Ooh. That's a big vein. How much do we have? 19. Let's go. Nine? How much do we have now? We have 48. Alright. Now have 54. Oh, let's go. Alright, that was it for day 3. We started off with 3.5 stacks, and now we have 4.25 stacks of diamonds. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 3.